Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Thursday. So today I'm gonna show you how to make a homemade rose mist. So since Valentine's is over, so nag-isip ako kung ano yung magandang gawin or para ma-preserve natin or mas maging useful yung binigay sa atin na flowers. Ano nga ba yung benefits ng rose? So, rose, makikita natin siya usually dun sa mga products, skincare products, since maganda talaga kasi ang rose. So, nakaka-soften siya, nakaka-moisturize, and yung mist is nakaka-refresh siya. So, let's start! So, first is you have to choose fresh petals. So, after collecting fresh petals, we have to wash it first to remove the chemicals, kung meron man mga chemicals na ginamit. And it would be safer for your skin. And then we have to boil it for about 20 to 30 minutes. So, 20 to 30 minutes until mag-pale na yung color ng petals. And then, after 30 minutes, you can now turn off and let it cool. And then, after cooling, pwede mo na siyang i-transfer sa container or i-drain. So, color depends and it varies dun sa color ng petals. So, normal color is pink, yellow, or orange. You can also use spray bottle for the mist. And pwede mo rin siyang panghilamos as well. So, for rose mist, we can store it in the fridge for about 1 month, and then kung gusto mo naman siya in-store sa bathroom is you can store it for about 1 week. So, ayan. So, better if you do a patch test first. So, pwede mo siyang ilagay dito muna sa wrist or here since sensitive yung skin natin doon. And then, if you have any reactions like itchiness or rashes, you have to stop it. Kasi minsan, syempre, hindi natin sure kung meron ba yung chemicals na kasama. So, better if maganda rin siya kung tanim mo siya or talagang organic pa. So, hope you like my video. So, don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell button para mas ma-update kayo dun sa next video ko. So, see you again next time. Thank you guys!